Are you going to the sock hop? I'm going to the Brick Bop. Can I catch a ride? Well, sure, I hope you like convertibles. Where is the Brick Bop? It's at the downtown diner. Can we do something about this black and white? Let me see what I can do. I know. Hey, Boppers! We're going to the 50s! Today we're unboxing Lego Creator Downtown Diner. And stick around for them when we get brick size. Today we are unboxing Lego Creator Downtown Diner, number 10260. How many pieces does it come with? The Downtown Diner comes with 2,480 pieces. This set is for ages 16 plus, but I think we can handle it. What characters does it come with? It comes with a rock star, a boxer, a photographer, a chef, a server, and a runner. On the front of the box it shows a pink convertible. It also shows the 6 characters it comes with. It shows the diner marquee and the neon lights. The bottom level has a diner. The top level has other businesses. On the back it shows all the different scenes you can play. It shows the 4 layers to the modular diner. It also shows other sets you can connect to the diner, but those sets aren't included. It's time to look inside. It comes with these 10 bags and these 10 bags. It comes with this big instruction book. It comes with a sand base plate and 4 gray base plates. It's time to Brick Bop it. It's time to look at all the awesome features of the diner. There are 3 levels to the diner. It's time to look at each level individually. On the first level, there's the diner. The diner has a real 50s vibe. The chef is cooking meals behind the counter, and the guests can watch as he makes it. The customers can sit at the booth or at the tabletop. There's a jukebox to play your favorite tunes and a gumball machine for the little kids. There's a coffee pot and pots and pans. There's also records up on the wall. The diner marquee is made out of pink letters. Outside there's a mailbox and a parking meter. There's a lamppost and the new Lego flowers. On the back of the diner there's a back door and a trash can. There are steps that lead to the second floor. On the second floor there's a gym. There's a boxing ring, there's a punching bag, there's a weight system, and a water cooler. There's a clock on the wall and a back door. On the back of the gym, there's an emergency staircase. On the third floor, there's the recording studio. There's a vocal booth where the artist can sing. There's a mixing board and a tape machine. There's also a lounge to sit. There's drinks and refreshments. On the wall, there are gold records. On the back of the studio, there's a door and a ladder that leads to the top. On the top, there's a sunroof. There's a needle to send out the radio signal. It comes with a pink 50s convertible. The door opens and it has an emergency brake. On the back, it has these wingtip fins. It's time to look at the minifigures. First up is the chef. He wears a soda jerk hat. He has a beard and a red scarf around his neck. Next up is the waitress. She has black hair, a blue striped shirt, a red scarf, and red shoes. She also carries a milkshake. Here we have the fitness girl. She has a green jumpsuit and blonde hair. She has two different faces. Her first face is smiling, her second face is sweaty, and she might need help lifting weights. This is the boxer. He's wearing red boxing gloves, blue shorts, a white wrestling belt, and no shirt. Six-pack. He has a mustache and long brown hair. Next up is a photographer / record producer. She has wavy auburn hair, purple pants, a gray suit coat, and a fuchsia scarf. She has two faces, one angry and one happy. Last up we have the rock star. He has a red guitar, a pink suit coat, a ruffly shirt, blue pants, and Elvis hair. He has two faces, a smiling face, and a singing face. There's only one thing left to do. It's time to get brick size. Well, hello there. What can I get you today? I love a strawberry shake with whipped cream and a cherry on top. Come right up. Oh, a jukebox. Any good songs in there? Of course, we got rock and roll, doo-wop, rhythm and blues. Take a look. Oh my stars, I love this song. That's a great one, but have you heard this? Wow, that's smooth. Love it. This was recorded in the studio upstairs. There's a recording studio upstairs? I've always wanted to make a record. Well, come on then. This is gonna be a blast. Okay, Finola, whenever you're ready. Sounds great. Wow, that felt smooth. Yeah, really, really smooth. Now I'm all fired up. What else do you got? Well, there's always the boxing ring. Boxing ring? Yeah, you know. Are you challenging me to a duel? I guess I am. You may want to take a couple jabs at the punching bag to get warmed up. Okay, ready. All right, let's do this. You look a little warm. Want some fresh air? Yes, please. Wow, what a view. Good thing I brought my camera. Yeah, you see my ride down there? That's your pink convertible? It's so hip. I suppose you want to ride? Come on. That was a blast from the past, but we better get home. If you enjoyed our video, give us a big thumbs up. And tell us what you liked in the comments below.